Welcome to the journey to discover the secrets of a little-known country, North Korea. In this video, let's admire the unexpected aspects of North Korea. Start this journey of discovery now. And here are 10 interesting facts about the little-known country, Korea. First fact, the system of social division is clear. In Korean society, the system classifies people into 3 main groups based on their history and social status. These 3 groups include government supporters, neutrals, and perceived opponents. Fact 10, National Wedding Day. Every year, there is a National Wedding Day in North Korea, chosen based on the day leader Kim Jong-il believes he met and fell in love with Kim Jong-un's mother. Fact 3, hair and dress policy. There is an official list of permitted hairstyles and clothing for male and female residents. Citizens are selected solely based on this list, and there are some restrictions on how they can style their hair. Fact 4, life in cities with street artists. While many images of North Korea often focus on its military aspects, the capital city of Pyongyang also has a diverse range of street artists and performers. Fact 5, use of the internet is prohibited. Most North Koreans do not have access to the internet. As we know it, they can only access an internal network and have limited information on which they can search. Fact 6, 3 generations of collapse policy. A different policy is 3 generations downfall, meaning that if one person in the family commits a crime, not only that person, but also the 3 generations after that will be affected. Fact 7, cooking on grass is also a crime. In some areas, cooking with grass because of lack of agricultural productivity may be considered illegal and punishable. Fact 8, entertainment, sports, and education in North Korea are very popular. In addition to political and military activities, North Koreans also have interests in entertainment and sports. Arts and cultural education are also encouraged. Fact 9, North Korean citizens abroad will also be monitored. There are some North Korean citizens living and working abroad, closely monitored by embassies, and must follow strict rules. Fact 10, limited travel possibilities. Travel to North Korea is mainly done through official tour groups and is closely monitored. Not everyone can move freely in this country. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you like it, please click like and share. Follow the channel to see the latest videos.